Mangal Maitri student, now today we start a new lesson from economics, the sector of economy. In this lesson, we learn about different sectors, GDP, unemployment and NREGA. First we take the different sectors. There are three sectors, primary, secondary and tertiary. The activities which related to directly with land, it's called the primary sector activities like farming, fishing, mining and animal husbandry. Secondary sector, when we take the raw material from primary sector and make a new goods, such activities called the secondary sector activities. For example, the sugar cane is the example of primary sector, but the sugar industry take the sugar cane and make the sugar. It's the manufacturing industry. Another example, the vehicle industry take the raw material from the mining, and mining related to the primary activities. Now the tertiary sector's activities. Tertiary sector is a service provide sector and provide the services to all sectors. For example, banking, transport, communication, doctors, army, police, they all provide the services. They do not make any new things. They do not directly related to the land activities but provide services. For example, गन्ना जब तक खेत में है उसकी वैल्यू कम है. यदि गन्ना इंडस्ट्री में पहुंच रहा है तो उससे शुगर बन रही है, बहुत सारी और चीजें बन रही हैं और ये पहुंचाने का काम कर रहा है ट्रांसपोर्ट. इसीलिए कहा गया कि ये हर एक एक्टिविटी को जोड़ने का काम करती है टेरेस्ट्री एक्टिविटी. बैंकिंग क्या है कि जो आपके धन को जमा भी कर रही है और जरूरत पर आपको लोन भी दे रहे हैं, ये भी टेरेस्ट्री सेक्टर में आता है. द सम टोटल ऑफ these three sectors, it's called the GDP of country. GDP stand gross domestic production. It's mean that some people earn from the primary sector, some people earn from the secondary and tertiary sector. It's the total of income within the 1 year. It's called the GDP of the country. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And next part we will learn the unemployment and the NREGA.